Bharani soup. Take a porcelain jar with a lid. Add 500 grams of chicken pieces, including 50 grams of liver, chopped into small pieces along with the bones. Next, add quarter cup of sliced shallots, 1 teaspoon of julienne ginger, 9 garlic cloves, 6 cloves, 2 cinnamon sticks each 1 inch long, 1 cardamom pod, and 1 teaspoon of crushed pepper. Pour in 3 cups of water and stir it well. Close the lid of the jar tightly. Now, place the jar in a shallow pan inside a pressure cooker. Make sure the water in the cooker reaches half the height of the jar. Cover the pressure cooker and cook. When the first whistle sounds, reduce the flame. Let it simmer for 4 hours. Once done, strain the soup. Serve the soup hot and enjoy.